Hey everyone, I'm photographer and filmmaker TK North. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get started in Premiere Pro, showing you the first steps of creating or opening up a new project, and also importing your video clips ready to start editing. This video is the first in a series looking at getting started in Premiere Pro, so let's open it up and get started. Once you click to open up Premiere Pro, this is going to be the very first screen or window you'll see. This is where you can open up or start a new project. A project, as the name suggests, is simply your Premiere Pro working file for your video edit that you can save, exit, and come back to at any time. This screen does give you a couple of different options. You can either open up a recent project that you've been working on from the list here. You can open up a project by selecting that file on your computer. So you can go ahead and click Open Project, locate the file either on your computer or hard drive and open it that way. Or of course, you can start a brand new project. So let's go back and select New Project. Here, this will open up this little window. You can rename your project to whatever you like. Let's call this one New Project and Importing Clips. Here you can also change the location of where you want your project file to be saved. I'm going to go ahead and leave that the same and leave the rest of the settings the same for the moment. Some of these you can change later on, so don't worry about them too much at the moment, unless you would like to save your project file in a different location. Once you're ready, go ahead and click OK to open up your new project to start editing. So the next step with Premiere Pro open and a new project started, you're going to need to start importing some of your clips. Here you can import things like video clips, audio files, or whatever else you may need for your project. To import your files, there's a couple of different ways you can do this. The first one you'll find in this project panel here. Come across and select Media Browser. This will allow you to preview all of your files inside Premiere Pro before actually importing them. So here you should be able to locate all of your footage on your computer or external storage. You should see a thumbnail of any video clips here. If you scroll over those, you'll be able to scrub back and forth to preview your clips. If you click on an individual clip, you should see this small playhead that will also let you scroll through your clips. If you want to check your clips in a little bit more detail, simply double click on any of your clips and it will open up a larger preview above here in the source monitor. When you're happy, you can simply select import or drag any of your clips to the timeline to start working with them. The second method to import your clips into Premiere Pro is the method I use, usually because I already know which clips I'll be importing into Premiere Pro. You can do this through the project panel. So come back to the project panel and then double click here to start adding your clips or files. This will open up Finder or Explorer depending if you're using PC or Mac. Here you can simply locate all your media, select the files you want to add and then hit import. A handy tip when importing your files is to try and keep them as organized as possible. So using bins can really help with this. Bins are essentially folders. They're just called bins inside Premiere Pro. So you can use these bins to group all your audio files together, for example, or your different cameras. Here you can also rename any of your files just to make your editing process run more smoothly, and it will often save you a lot of time in the long run. So once you've imported your clips, you're ready to begin editing. You can drag these clips over to the timeline and start moving them around to begin editing. Of course, remember to save your project as often as you can. You can do this by going up to File and Save, or a simple shortcut is to hit Command and S on Mac or Control and S on Windows at any time to simply save your project. So those are the basic first steps when starting inside Premiere Pro. Stay tuned for the rest of the series where I'll walk through further components of getting started in Premiere Pro. I'm TK North. Thanks so much for watching.